Ferrari shifts gears. New medical center opens in Maranello. Ferrari, known globally for high-performance vehicles, has quietly launched a state-of-the-art medical diagnostics center in its hometown of Maranello, Italy. The project, a collaboration with Philips and MedX, marks a surprising yet strategic move beyond automotive engineering. This isn't about branding or diversification. It's about leveraging resources to address healthcare gaps in the region. Expanding access to advanced diagnostics, the center aims to provide cutting-edge preventive care to both Ferrari employees and the broader community. MedX, a long-standing medical partner of Ferrari, operates the facility, while Philips supplies the advanced diagnostic technology. The key is convenience, offering early detection and specialist evaluations without long wait times or the need for extensive travel. This approach is particularly impactful in rural areas where access to advanced medical services is limited. By bringing high-tech diagnostics directly to the population, Ferrari bypasses traditional barriers to healthcare. A first-of-its-kind collaboration, this is the first time an Italian company, outside the healthcare sector, has collaborated with public institutions to create such a high-level diagnostic center. The project received close support from regional and local authorities, ensuring it complements the existing public health system rather than competing with it. The center has secured a 3-year contract with the Modena Local Health Authority to conduct approximately 8,300 mammography examinations for women in Maranello, Formigine, and Fiorano. This initiative directly supports regional cancer screening campaigns, making regular checkups more accessible. Data-driven healthcare and AMP. Future growth beyond immediate diagnostics, the center will serve as a hub for epidemiological studies, with MedX handling data analysis. Remote second opinion services will also be available, connecting patients to highly accredited specialists across Italy without requiring physical travel. Ferrari emphasizes that profits are not the primary goal. Any surplus generated will be reinvested into medical training, scholarships for young healthcare professionals, and long-term development of skills within the region. Cutting-edge technology under the hood, the facility boasts advanced equipment, including total body MRI, spectral CT, mammography with tomosynthesis, digital radiography, and DEXA bone densitometry. AI-integrated software enhances image processing speed and accuracy, assisting doctors in making faster, clearer diagnoses. The move also strengthens Ferrari's existing welfare programs. Formula Benessere has already provided annual checkups for over 4,000 employees, and Formula Benessere Jr. offers consultations for more than 1,000 employees' children. The new center expands these benefits, consolidating specialist services under one roof. This initiative demonstrates that even luxury brands can contribute meaningfully to public health. Ferrari's investment isn't just about corporate social responsibility. It's a strategic move to strengthen the community that supports its operations. The unexpected expansion into healthcare underscores Ferrari's willingness to leverage its resources for broader social impact. This venture suggests that companies with advanced technological capabilities can play a crucial role in bridging healthcare gaps, particularly in regions where access to quality diagnostics remains a challenge.